Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.